In this video, I will show you how to transfer playlists from Apple Music to Musi. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our Apple Music and then just head over and choose the playlist that you want. We have in here this new music daily. Just click on the three dots, click on the share option and click on this copy link. Then from there, head over to tunemymusic.com. Click on this Let's Start option and choose in here your Apple Music. So you can also load music from your Apple Music account, but you can also use URL. Once it's been added, click on this Load from URL right here, and then it will show you the playlist that you have just connected earlier, which is this one. Click on this Choose Destination, and then from in there, as you can see, there is no music option. So what we can do is we click on this Share option right there, and it will create your share link. Now click on this Save and Share, and then click on this copy and then send it to someone who has Musi. And then once they have clicked on that link, they should be able to get this particular playlist right here. So that's how you actually do it. You can also see the URL summary for that one.